Because I don't know. I don't hear that. Good, good, good. All right, so what we have right now for you is the meet and greet. So this is what we did, all the artists to watch tour, and now we're gonna do it for y'all too. So what we got is that guy back there, whoever it is, he's gonna come out. He's gonna do a song or two.
What's up, everybody? How are you guys? Is this considered London, where we're at? Yes? Alright, because I was going to come out and say, hey, London, but I don't want anybody to be offended or anything, so. Hello. So I'm going to sing some songs for you guys today, and then take some questions if you guys have any, so. Bobby, say hello. Alright. So this is one of my favorite songs, and if you guys know it, I would love if you'd help me sing it, alright? I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I won't show high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't hear you guys. You act so different around me, because you're a good girl and you know it. I know exactly who you could be. Oh, just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home. It's hard to do these things alone. So just hold on, we're going home. Oh, everybody, I got my eyes on you. What? What? Endlessly, I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly, 'cause you're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me, 'cause you're a good girl and you know it. I know exactly who could be. Oh, just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home. It's hard to do these things alone. So just hold on, we're going home. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It sounded amazing.
Thank you.
All right, now we got a couple questions.
Yo, by the way, give it up for Robert's haircut. I gave him a haircut. I gave him a mohawk. Looks great. I did an amazing job.
All right, who's got some questions?
Who's got a question?
All right, I noticed you first. What you got? What's your name?
Emma.
Emma.
Hi, Austin.
Hi.
What's your question?
Okay, my question is, what is your favourite thing about London?
Favorite thing about London? I mean, obviously the girls. Obviously.
True. All right, let's see. What do we got?
Who else?
Who's really excited for a question?
Who's excited for the question?
You right there. You right there. Yeah. What's your name? Wait. Say it again. Francesca. Okay. What's your question?
Why don't I come to London more? That's a good question. I should come to London more.
You should.
You know what? I'm gonna come to London more, Francesca, just for you. And then we can maybe hang out or something.
All right. Let's see. We got right there. You in the varsity jacket. It's her birthday. It's her birthday.
How old are you turning?
She's 15.
15. You guys want to help me sing your happy birthday?
We should.
Awesome. Alright, so this is for everyone that has a birthday in this room. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to all of you. Yeah. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to all of you. Happy birthday, everybody! What's your birthday?
We got time for a couple more questions. Let's look over here. Who do we got over here? Right, you in the blue right there. What's your name? Say it again. Riley? Oh, bro, okay, got it. What's your question?
A British accent. Hello. Hello. How are you today? Hello.
Not as good as mine.
What's yours?
Not as good as mine.
That's terrible. You sound like a rubbish.
You disgust me. You disgust me. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Right here, what's your question? What's your question?
That's awesome.
That's cool.
Do I want? Yeah, I want it. Of course I want it.
How about you give it to us at the meet and greet when we take a picture?
Yeah, get to me. Meet me.
That'll work out perfectly. All right.
That way I can
Someone
see
in the
it up
back.
close.
We got anyone in the back who's got it?
Let's get one more.
You're standing up. You're standing up. You
Plans? I'm actually coming there in like less than 48 hours.
We'll be there soon.
I'll be there in like 2 days. You have the gift for me? Okay, awesome. Give it to me at the meet and greet.
You got one more song for him?
Yeah, let's do one more song, guys.
All
Let's
right,
go.
give it to him.
I want you guys to sing louder than the last time, because I know you guys can sing loud.
Love you!
And I hope you guys know this song.
Come on!
When I saw her walking down the street, she looked so fine, I just had to speak. I asked her name, but she turned away as she walked. Everybody!
All that I could say was
Yeah, 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 yeah. All that I could say was yeah, 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 yeah. All that I could rock and roll. One time we'll make it up as we go. I know you feel it, cause I mean what I say. Say we can do whatever we want. When she walked past me, I said, hey. So tell me where you from, where you wanna go. While she walked past me like I ain't say a word. Stood there like, man, girl, I don't usually feel some type of way, but this one hit me hard in some kind of place. Like, man, when I saw her walking
down the street.
What?
She looked so fine.
What?
I
I asked her name, but she turned away as she walked. Everybody!
All that I could say was
Yeah, 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 yeah. All that I could say was yeah, 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 yeah. All that I yeah, she looks so good, but she bad. You can see that back from the front. Booty like crisscross. Jump. Meet me in the middle of the ocean. We can find ourselves and lose our minds. Rewind, play. Find ourselves and lose our minds today. Awesome them and the mother go on the Latino, see gringo go solo with gayless. The boys are not to be the stuff that they don't have a mind to think with. Brainless. Most of them broke, but they're famous. Some got his, but they nameless. But baby, forget about that when all that I could say was yeah, everybody, yeah. All that I could say was yeah. All that I could say was
That was great.
Thank you.
I think we got time for about 4 more questions.
Let's get that more questions.
All right, who really has a really great question? You do, you swear. What's your name? Ellie? What's your question?
Being at Wembley?
Yeah.
Being at Wembley was awesome. Probably one of the most coolest shows I've ever performed at. There's just so many people.
Yeah, the
All right, what do we got? Let's look over.
So much fun.
See anyone? All right, you back there with both your hands up. In the orange, I see you.
Very swag. She's extremely swag.
All right, who's got a great question?
Too
Something
much
you really
swag.
want to know. How about we give it? How about we give it to her right here?
What's your question?
What's your question? Well, what's your name? What's your name?
Greece for us.
Am I coming to Greece?
Yes, for the Mahone in Greece. Please.
I will definitely be going to Greece. Hopefully this year, if not the beginning of next year, but I will be there for sure. Yes. You guys are awesome for coming all the way from Greece.
That's one place we need to go.
We need to go to Greece.
All right, okay. What do you got standing up back there? What's your name? Okay, what's your question? Can you say something in French?
Isn't I love you like what? Hold on. Jay? There's so many I love yous coming at me at once. I can't understand you guys. Alright, you know when I come to France,
You can teach him.
teach me. I love you.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Austin's gonna head back and get ready for pictures.
Yep.
Who's ready for pictures? Come on.
You guys wanna take some pictures? Let's go. Let's take
All
pictures.
right, so he's gonna head back. What you're gonna do is just stay in your seats, and someone's gonna come and group you up so you can get your pictures. You like that? Yeah. All right, I hope you all enjoy the night. All right, have a good time.